Alright then. So after creating this GST and this, you realize these three columns are part of your accounting data, right? And my trial balance are really set to look at sum if column I. Trial balance is summing this one and exclude the GST. Okay, so remember trial balance summing this exclude GST and range all the way down. Okay, up full set and has a value of 100. If you are trained in accounting, you would know you have to include the GST amount and then credit off to somewhere else. So let's work on the $9 GST. Where do we put that? Because GST is another accounting entry, there are many ways to do it, but to put things in simply context right, this is the GST field that we are talking about. Okay, so this one, let me see. Oh, okay, this one should be expend income. We follow strictly accounting entries because it's a revenue, rental income, right? So now you know what to expect. It's output GST. Okay, so for GST exception, I'm going to highlight output GST here, and I want to highlight the whole line to this color because this is an exceptional formula. It does not follow the rest, and thus this is how it's going to go. Okay. Besides the standard formula, this, and range this, I also have to. That means it's looking at the code column. If code column does not have 3110, okay, it will also look at January code. Let me see what's the code there. January. GST column is J. So you look sum up J for me. J exclusively. Yeah, just J. Yeah, that's the thing about this pass J, J. This. Hmm, done. So now we have 109 credit, right? Yep. Okay, accounting entry. What do you need to do? This is accounting. You invoice a rental and you have not collected it. Okay. Hmm. So you will have a trade debtors or ABD company. Trade receivable account for this. There's no GST for this. Why did my formula bounce off? Yeah, yeah. Okay. So what happened is now is zero. Okay, 9 and 100, and then you have a trade debtor here. Okay, one thing good about this, you can do this one. It. I'm looking for the filter function. Oh, here. Okay, let's filter all the zeros and you get. So you can look at the double entry, you debit your debtors and you have your sales. Okay, so we'll talk about how to account for this debtor when payment is made in another video. Right? Step by step, guys. Take it easy.